You need to do some if-else ladder statement. Then after that we will start the looping part today, right? So before this you need to do your if-else statements. Okay, I want it now. Just a second, I'm coming with my book. Then I will share some examples with you. First, that you need to do that of the calculator. Right? I gave two examples here, no, of the calculator and the income tax. Have you done that? The calculator. Kindly design a calculator yourself. Do it fast. Design a calculator. In the homework, I gave one or two questions there, no? Then you need to design the calculator. Do it fast. Design the calculator fast and send it to me in the chat option. Done?
No, ma'am.
So they थोड़ा सा कम कर लेंगे.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done? Yes, and there. Shashwat. चलो. Correct. Is this visible to all? Other students, have you completed?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Please do all the calculator part. And I want answer from all.
Ma'am, in the multiplication part, I forgot to add an asterisk in answer equals to A into B.
Where? Acha,
Ma'am, in
answer
the
equals to
third
AB.
one.
Yes, there
Yes,
will
ma'am, I have
be
to add an asterisk.
multiply asterisk symbol will
Ma'am,
be
my
there.
8 key is broken, so I can't actually make an asterisk, so I had to copy paste it, so I forgot to do that.
No, asterisk is also, it is must that there should be asterisk also in between A into B, right? शिवांश देसवाल, क्या हो गया इसको? डू इट फास्ट, तो टाइम थोड़ा ना लगता है. And one more thing, it was your homework.
Ma'am, I have sent it in the chat.
This is also correct. See, you can check that also. Is this okay, all of you?
Ma'am, I have also sent in the chat.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I have also sent in the chat.
I'm just checking that also. Yeah, other students, you can do in this way also. She's printing the C's value, she's printing the result in every statement, okay? In every condition, she's checking the print statement. It will displaying the print statement side by side. Yes, Shashwata Sen and Aishwarya Sen. Where is another student's file?
Ma'am, I have also sent Vanshika.
मुझे लग रहा है आपने दूसरे चैट पे भेज दिया, पर्सनल चैट से. Send it in the same meeting, बच्चा. Yeah, send it in the same meeting. See that. You can check that also. कि if there is the file, see, एक minute, just a second, just a second. I will join with my another laptop. आगे से इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. Anyway, ठीक है. If choice equals to 1, then it is inputting that values A or B, adding that value and printing the C. Okay, if choice equals to 2, then another two values, another two numbers we are taking in the two variables D and E, calculating that value and printing that value. In this simple way, in this simple method also you can do your program. Can you do all? I want result from all students. Do it fast.
Ma'am, I have sent it on chat.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
I'm just going to check. The rest all students who is not doing, can you do it? Do it fast in your computer. Otherwise, send it to me in the personal chat, right? Yeah, Vani has sent. Read it, all of you. Read it, all of you. In this also, she is taking two numbers in number 1 and number 2. After that, we are asking for the operator in the OP. If OP equals to add, it means what are the data type of OP? She is taking in the string type. String type operator उसने ले लिया है. It means string. It will accept in string only. ठीक है? वो क्या लेगा? It will accept a string only. Right? एक मिनट. हाँ. Then after that, if OP equals to add, if the string, whatever the string we are transferring in that OP, if OP is equals to add string, then it will print the number 1 plus number 2. Otherwise, if it is equals to multiply, it will print the number 1 into number 2. Okay, the logic is different. Okay, if 10 people are doing the same program, then definitely the logic will be different of all the students. Okay, kindly put your logic and do it. Do it in the simple and the smallest way. Is this fine, all of you? This is also good.
Ma'am, I have sent again.
I'm just checking. Wait. But you are copying that value in the directly. Give me the screenshot of that with the output. First run your program. All of you, I'm telling. First run your program, then send me the answers with the output. Just like this. कि वंशिका का एक काम करते हैं, हम अपना कॉपी करते हैं. वेट. लगता है पूरा आता ही नहीं आता है. I need to check that. Is this okay? Is this the same program, Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you putting? If ladder you are giving, but else or if else का जो statement है, this is not correct. This is not correct. Can you run your program in your computer? Send me the statement with the output. Run it and send me that in the output.
Okay.
This is your homework for all of you, okay? By evening, I wanted that you need to give that program with the output screenshots and okay, send it in the chat option only. You can send it in the chat option. This is the homework and you need to do that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, when I'm running it, asking value at 1 and value 2, and it's asking to choose me the
Send me the
operator. It's
screenshot.
not
Send me the screenshot
having.
or share the screen. Then I can understand your doubt. Send me the screenshot, beta. By sharing the screen, we can check that answer. Yeah, sent. Are you
Yes.
doing this in the mobile, Vanshika?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not. Ma'am, it's not capturing the image. I don't
Okay,
know.
okay, fine. Then it is okay because if you're copying it in the chat only, na, then it is missing its indentation. Okay. So if you will give the screenshot, then as it is, it will send the photo. Right? चलो इसको बंद करते हैं. Now we should start our looping part. Okay. In the previous class, I discussed about the condition statement, whatever we are doing using the condition statement. Now in this class, we will learn about the iteration part also, iteration statement, that is called the looping. It means repetition of the statement multiple times according to our choice. Okay. Iteration statement are used to execute a block of statement. It means the collection of that statement as long as the condition is true. Loop statement are used when we need to run same code again and again. Okay, if you want to run the same code again and again according to our choice, okay, according to a particular condition, let's say if we want a particular code 10 times, 50 times or 100 times or 1000 times, okay, according to our choice, it will take that particular condition that how many times we want it, we want that particular loop. Okay, the Python iteration loop statements are three types, three kinds of Python iteration loops. Okay, the first one is while loop, second one is for loop, and third one is nested for loop. Yeah. Okay, the first of all we will start with the nested while loop. Okay, that is called the iteration statement loops. Okay, while loop, it is used to execute a block of statement. It means block of statement means the code कोडिंग वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग. जैसे अभी आपने मुझे कोडिंग लिखा, इसमें भी हम लूप लगा सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज द लूप देयर ऑल्सो. ओके, it is used to execute a block of statement as long as a given condition is true, and when the condition become false, the control will come out of the loop. Okay, if the condition is true, see, you can see that in that flow chart, given flow chart. Is this visible flow chart? Stop sending now. Stop sending, all of you. इसको भेजना. I have already given the time. That by evening you can send it to me later. Kindly understand it, whatever I am discussing with you. Is this okay? Yeah. Is this visible, the flow chart, all of you? The flow chart,
Yes.
the diagram.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes. In the diagram, it is given there the enter while loop. If the test expression is correct, what is this test expression we will do through the coding example? Okay. If the test expression is correct, let's say if I want one number 10 times, okay, so definitely we need to give the condition for the 10 times, okay, that will be the test expression there. If test expression is true, then it will solve the body part of the while again and again until the test expression will be true. Otherwise it will go to the another part, false, and exit to that loop. Exit to that loop. Is it okay? Fine, bachcho? Okay. Now this is the syntax for writing the while loop. For writing the while loop, this is the syntax. While, then we need to give the condition. This is the syntax how to write while loop. Firstly, you will write while. This is a keyword for putting the while loop. While, then we will put the condition here, semicolon. If it is okay, if it is true, okay, then colons we are giving there, then we are giving the statement. Okay, this is the example here. We should एक मिनट रुको, we should copy this. Okay, x equals to 1 while x is less than or equals to 10, 4, then it will print the value, print the value. एक मिनट. कहाँ गया? Yeah. Okay, it will print that value according to that loop, right? How will we execute that? See, you can check that. This is the answer. ये देखो. Firstly, it is taking first number here in the first variable, x equals to 1. What is the value of the first variable? It is taking x equals to 1. Now, it is putting the test condition here, while. What do you mean by while? What do you mean while? Up to a particular condition?
Till.
What's the meaning of while
Ma'am,
in your English?
Till.
हाँ, up to a particular condition, जब तक, ठीक है? जब तक while x is less than and equals to 4. Okay, while condition is 1. If it is 1, is that 1 is less than or equals to 4? Tell me, 1 is less than or equals to 4? या तो छोटा है या बराबर है? It means, tell me, 1 is less than to 4? Yes, it is
Yes,
true. It is less than to 4. Okay, then it will proceed to the next statement. Print x. What is the value of x? 1. So it will print 1. तो इसने 1 print कर दिया. Is this okay? The next condition, x equals to x plus 1. What is the value of x? X value is 1. 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया बच्चों? 1 plus 1? 2. Then the value will become 2 in x. X value will be 2. 2 is less than or equals to 4? Yes. It is less than to 4. It is true. Then it will print the second value 2. It is printing the value 2. Then x equals to x plus 1. What is the latest value of x? 2. 2 plus 1? 3. Now 3 is also less than to 4? Yes, it is less than to 4. It will print 3. Then what is the value of x next in the next time? 4. Is it less than or equals to? Yes, it is not less than, but it is equals to. So this condition also will be true. Then it will go to that next statement, print the x here. Okay, now you tell me, if I want the values 10 times or 20 times, what will be the logic here? Can you help me?
Ma'am, we will write x less than or equal to 20.
Yes, value will be 20. Then we are giving that particular condition, the test condition. Definitely it is giving that value in that way. ये देखो, is this okay? Fine or not? Any doubt in this to anyone? Is there any doubt? Yes. एक बार देखो इसको. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, I have many doubts. I will ask from you.
Ma'am, using bracket is necessary.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
using bracket is necessary.
Bracket is necessary. If you are putting particular conditions, the bracket is necessary. Okay, one more thing. I have one doubt, bachcho, that I am printing the statement from 1 to 20 here. I am printing that statement from 1 to 20 here. So can you help me that if I want to skip that counting with the gap of 2, it means I want it first it should print 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 with the gap of 2 numbers. सोचो और मुझे बताओ जल्दी से.
X
Ma'am,
plus
1 की जगह +2 कर दो. +2.
x plus 2.
What should I write?
X plus 2.
X equals to x plus 2. Is this okay? Then there will be the gap.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this okay?
जल्दी जल्दी लिखो ना आनंद.
Okay, do my program now. Write program in your way. You can take the screenshot of that. एक मिनट. I'm just sending that. Wait. क्योंकि otherwise okay, write a program to print the table of 3. Are you able to do? Can you try? The table of 3. You need to print the table of 3.
मैम किसी लिमिट तक करना है या फिर इन्फिनिटली?
खुद करना है, do it yourself.
तो फिर मैम
What will be the table of 3 बच्चों? In this way ना, that you need to write.
X, ma'am, X will be 3 and ma'am, while X.
Do it in your computer.
पे भेज दिया है.
भेजा है? Okay, I'm just checking it. What will be the table of 3? चलो मैं firstly I should check that. Wait. Is this Gautam? Who is this?
Ma'am, Gautam.
Gautam and Shashwat. Beta, I'm just telling you, if you are sending something, some code, kindly give me the screenshot. ये क्यों नहीं open हो रहा Gautam? It is not opening.
मैम इसका आउटपुट इन्फिनिटली जा रहा था तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले पाया.
Screenshot. Anyway, you should send the screenshot with the output if the program is runnable. Okay?
मैम मैंने पर्सनल पे भेजा था.
पर्सनल पे क्यों भेजते हो? जो मैंने कहा ना इस मीटिंग पर भेजो. Because by sending in this meeting we can share that data with other students also. नहीं तो मुझे पीछे जाके पूरा उसको ओपन करके देखना पड़ेगा. See, one program is already open here. Then we can check in that also. Okay, while x is less than or equals to 30, print x equals to x plus 3. Can we do it using the multiplication method also? हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं क्या उसको?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हो? तो
यस मैम.
ये मेरा नेटवर्क में ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है क्या कि फाइल ओपन नहीं हो पा रही है? Some students are sending but the file is not open. Yeah, Vanshika sent that. Okay. He has also sent. Okay, good. Aryan Sinha. Okay, can you write the table in this way? पता है कैसे लिखो? आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? जैसे आप करते हो, आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो क्या? This is the biggest challenge.
यस मैम कर सकते हो.
कर सकते हो? Do it. अगर कुछ बच्चे कर सकते हैं तो very good, well done. Otherwise we will discuss in the next class दिया. ठीक है? अगर अभी करके भेजते हो इवनिंग तक तो चेक करके भेजो. This is the challenge for all of you. Do it in this way.
मैम मैं मीटिंग की चार्ट पे सेंड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
चैट में सेंड नहीं कर पा रहे? पता है कहाँ जाते हैं? उसी मीटिंग पर जाते हैं और मीटिंग में वहाँ पर जो चैट ऑप्शन होता है ना ऊपर की साइड होता है, वहाँ पर सेंड करते हैं. कोई बात नहीं, आज देख लेना, ट्राई कर लेना.
You are not
कोई बात नहीं, फिर
permitted.
पर्सनली भेजो. पर्सनली भेजो, कोई इशू। Okay, then same code you need to explain in this way. Okay, this is okay.
I'm done.
Done. भेजो मेरे को शाश्वत। एक मिनट, चलो शाश्वत का देख लेते हैं, then after that I will download the attendance. शाश्वत, have you sent बेचा? चलो मुझे एक काम करना, मैं पर्सनली भेज देना।
I've also sent the ma'am.
हाँ, send it to me personally, then I will check it. अभी मैंने स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दिया। एक मिनट, किसी का आया तो आरव का आया है। दिस इज गुड।
Also sent to ma'am.
लेकिन आरव, one thing is missing here. One thing is missing here, baby. ये देखो 3 into 1 equals to, ऐसे आना चाहिए ना जैसे मैंने बोला था अभी आपको। 3 into equals to 3 आ रहा है, 3 into 1 equals to 3 आना चाहिए। 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6 in this way. But it is giving 3 into equals to 3. कोई बात नहीं, try it, do it. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also sent to ma'am. Aryan Sinha.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, I'm just I've been downloading your attendance. नहीं तो okay, you can send it to me in the personal chat. Okay, that this thing, all these type of questions, different and multiple questions, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, fine. Chalo, now you can leave the class. Leave fast.